Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the heart of your home's electrical system, circuit breakers, and wiring. Whether you're looking to add a new appliance or just curious about how things work, understanding the basics can save you time and, more importantly, keep you safe. First off, let's break down what a circuit breaker does. Think of it as your home's protector. It monitors the flow of electricity and automatically shuts off power when it detects an overload or a short circuit. This is crucial because it prevents fires and protects your appliances. Now, how do you know which circuit breaker and wire size to use? It all starts with something called the wattage. That's the amount of power your appliance needs. You'll find this information in the appliance's manual or on its label. Here's a simple formula to keep in mind. Wattage divided by voltage equals amperage. For most homes, the voltage is around 120 volts for standard circuits and 240 volts for larger appliances like ovens and dryers. So if you have a 1200-watt microwave, simply divide that by 120 volts. That gives you 10 amperes, which is the current it draws. Now, choosing the right circuit breaker size is crucial. Always opt for a breaker that can handle more current than your appliance draws. For our 1200-watt microwave, a 15-ampere breaker would be ideal. This ensures that it won't trip unnecessarily, but will still protect your home. Wiring size is also key. It needs to safely conduct the current without overheating. A simple rule: the higher the amperage, the thicker the wire needed. For most household circuits, a 14-gauge wire is suitable for 15 amperes, while a 12-gauge wire is used for 20 amperes. It's all about making sure that the wire can handle the load without getting too warm. Remember folks, dealing with electricity is no joke. If you're not confident or if things look complex, always call in a professional. Safety first always. So there you have it. You're now more equipped to tackle your home wiring projects safely and efficiently. Whether you're installing a new light fixture or upgrading your kitchen appliances, knowing these basics can be a game changer. Stay safe and happy DIYing. Until next time.